In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center elements in Webflow, a 2025 beginner-friendly guide. Centering elements is a key skill in web design, providing a balanced look and enhancing user experience. Whether it's text, images, or buttons, knowing how to align these elements properly can make your design stand out. First, let's dive into opening your Webflow project. Begin by logging into your Webflow account. Once you're inside, navigate to the designer interface where you'll find the element you want to center. It's essential to ensure you're in the right project space to avoid making changes to the wrong file. Next, it's time to select the element you wish to center. Click directly on it, whether it's a text box, an image, a button, or a div block. Moving over to the Style panel located on the right-hand side, make sure your selected element has a class name. This step is crucial for consistent styling across your project. Having a class name also enables you to apply uniform styling to multiple elements effortlessly. Now, let's center your element using Flexbox, a recommended method due to its flexibility and ease of use. Begin by selecting the parent container, which is essentially the element that houses the item you want to center. In the Style panel's Layout section, choose Flex. This option allows you to manage how child elements are arranged within the parent container. For horizontal alignment, set Justify to Center, and similarly, for vertical alignment, set Align to Center. This dual approach ensures your element is perfectly centered both horizontally and vertically within its parent container. For those aiming to center text or inline elements, such as headings, paragraphs, or inline buttons, select the text element itself. Then, in the Style panel, navigate to Typography, click on Text Align, and choose Center. This step automatically aligns your text element within its boundaries, providing a neat and professional look across different screen sizes. Lastly, finish off by previewing and adjusting as necessary. Click on the Preview button, represented by the eye icon, to view your centered elements across various devices including desktop, tablet, and mobile. This preview is a vital step to ensure your design's responsiveness. If adjustments are required, such as altering the parent container size or tweaking Flexbox settings, do so until your design meets your aesthetic and functional expectations. With these steps, you'll find that centering elements in Webflow can be straightforward and immensely satisfying, offering a polished and professional appearance to your web designs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different layouts to master the art of centering in Webflow.